Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, the new and only tutorial in the world which starts from basic scratch, that's called zero, and to reach zero. Alright, so we are on lesson number 25, Python coding on Jetson Nano. I'm going to show you what a complex number means in Python. Alright, it's a pretty simple one. You would have definitely learned about all this in your schooling days in mathematics, but same principles apply in Python programming as well. So basically complex numbers are written with a letter called J, okay, a small j, not a uppercase capital J, it's a small j, okay. It's just an imaginary part, it's just imagination, right? But that's how it has been designed and that's how it works. I don't have a clear explanation why it is J and why it is, it can be D, but that's how it is, right? Now complex numbers are basically an extension of a known real number, okay. It's just an extension of any real number in which all the numbers are expressed as a sum of a real part and an imaginary part, that is the J. All right, and it has got Python has basically got a built-in support for any kind of all the complex numbers, okay. It's a built-in support. So I'm going to show you how it looks in Python and how it functions, basically how we are going to call in for. So let me share my screen, and I have logged into Jetson Nano through PuTTY to remote terminal. So let's create a new file called complex, and the file is nano in your nano IDE. All right, so nano complex.py. All right, there you go. I'm into nano. Let me give you an example. Say x equals to 3 plus say 5 and an imaginary number, it's called J, okay, and then y equals to 5j, and then z is equal to say minus 5j, okay. Now let's print the type. All right, how do I do? Remember the whole bracket, type, and then you call in within a small bracket, right? So type, say x, close the bracket, and then again close the bracket, then print call for a type, and then you call for what type in y, and then close the bracket, and then print, then type, and then you call for z or z, and then the full bracket. All right, now let's save the file. Control O, enter, Control X. Now let me execute this file. Python 3 complex.py. There you go. All three x, y, z, it says it's a complex J. Remember guys, J. So I gave you an example, and please do follow that example, right? So the complex, it's a pretty simple thing, guys. You would have definitely learned in the school. So I'm just trying to show what you learned in the school in Python program, how it applies, right? Is except few syntax and stuff, it's the same. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and do like, comment and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.